How to become a successful YouTuber. Number 1. Be patient. If you're thinking that you'll upload a video and it will go viral and you'll get 1 million subscribers and get rich, then think again. While this isn't actually impossible, it is highly improbable. Kind of like winning the lottery. The chances are that the first video you upload will only be watched by your friends and family, and that's not a bad thing because your first videos will probably be rubbish anyway. Number 2. Identify your interests. Bear in mind that in order to grow your channel, you're going to have to spend a lot of time creating and perfecting videos, and when your channel begins to provide for you, you'll have to continue creating and perfecting your videos. Make sure you enjoy the content you're creating and the process you use to create it. If you don't love what you're making, it'll be very hard to continue producing content. Confucius once said, "Choose a job you love and you'll never work a day in your life. Choose videos you enjoy making and producing new content will never be a struggle." Number 3. Find a buyer. Once you know what you enjoy and what kind of video you want to make, you need to find your audience. Basically, if your content is your product, you need to find who your buyers are. Here you can use YouTube's analytics tool to find out who is watching your videos, for how long, how many times, and a whole host of other data that can help you find out what your audience likes and dislikes. And you can then alter your product to suit their needs. Number 4. Thumbnail and title. Your thumbnail and title are extremely important for promoting your content. This is a lot like advertising your product. For example, if you're trying to sell a new hamburger and you put a big poster up in front of a vegan food store, it wouldn't sell very well. But if you were to put it up in front of a WeightWatchers, it would do a lot better. Think of your video's thumbnail as your poster and your video's title as the slogan. Going back to our previous analogy, if you have the new hamburger poster in front of the vegan food store, but the title was New Vegan Burger, you'd get a lot more sales. Number 5. Finding a niche. The YouTube algorithm can help immensely to promote your video. The algorithm is complex, but its goal is actually quite simple: to get people to consume YouTube content for as long as possible. It used to be that when you watched a video called How to Fix a Leaky Tap, YouTube would suggest other videos showing you how to do the same fix. Now the algorithm suggests videos that are relevant to the one you watched, but not the same one. For example, why taps leak, or bathroom renovations, or 10 easy repairs. If you've ever gone to YouTube to watch a product review video and found yourself an hour later watching a video about the 10 weirdest things found by airport security, then you've gone down a YouTube rabbit hole and the algorithm has done its job. However, in order for the algorithm to work properly and for it to do so in your favor, you need to be aware of your content's category or niche and properly title and tag your video in accordance. Number 6. Collaborate. Watching videos that are similar to your own is a great way to get inspired, but also to know what works and what doesn't. Get in touch with fellow YouTubers who share your interests and collaborate with them. Share the experience you've gained and the mistakes that you've learned from. The people who are doing videos that are similar to your own are not your competitors or your enemy, they are your mentors and your community. And by helping each other and collaborating, you can all grow mutually. Number 7. Buying subscribers and views. Nowadays you can buy fake subscribers and views to help your channel get more promotion and reach that all-important monetization number of 1,000 subs. While this may seem like a good idea to get monetized as soon as possible, it can actually be counterproductive. When your channel has 1,000 real subscribers, that's 1,000 real people who enjoy your content and will probably mention your videos to their friends and family, and so more and more people will watch your videos. YouTube will see that people enjoy your content and then promote it accordingly. When your channel has 1,000 fake subscribers, those subscribers won't watch or promote your videos. YouTube will see your videos aren't popular and so it won't promote them either. Remember, the algorithm's main goal is to keep people on YouTube watching content. If your video's audience retention is good, then it is more likely your videos will be promoted. Number 8. Call to action. Always remember to ask people to subscribe and to comment on your videos. If your viewers are nice, good people, then they will definitely subscribe to your channel to help you out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And any comments they leave will help you produce better content in the future. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed the video, or even if you didn't, please comment below.